Hi, this is Andy Teach, host of Andy's Awesome Adventures, and welcome to London, England. Now, in back of me is the iconic Parliament building and, of course, Big Ben. And in about 10 seconds, we're going to hear Big Ben chime. So I've been looking forward to this for like weeks, months. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bloody hell, there's no Big Ben. They kidnapped Big Ben. What happened to Big Ben? Big Ben is gone. Oh my God. I flew 5,000 miles just to hear Big Ben chime, and there's no Big Ben. What is going on? Well, there's only one person in this nation that can make Big Ben chime, and that is Her Majesty the Queen. So I am going to go back to Buckingham Palace. I've already been there twice this week, but I'm going to try to get an audience with Her Majesty the Queen so that Big Ben will chime while I'm still in London. But if not, still a magnificent building, the Parliament building, the House of Parliament. And whatever that structure on the right is, I can't even recognize it.
Was it like a troll you used to see?
But we are in London, England, and it's a beautiful city. So even without Big Ben chiming, we're still gonna have fun.